In this segment, we'll show you how to assemble your new Agri-Fab steel toe roller. Begin by tapping a plastic bearing, part 5, onto the outside of a hitch tube. Then repeat for the other hitch tube. Now, align a hitch tube onto the end of the roller shaft. Then slide a 1-inch flat washer, part 6, onto the end of the shaft. Now, secure it with a 5/32 inch by 1 1/2 inch cotter pin, part 12, by bending the ends out. Repeat for the other hitch tube. Now, loosely secure the scraper bar, part 2, to the hitch tubes, part 3, by using two 5/16 by 1 3/4 inch bolts, part 9, and 5/16 inch lock nuts, part 10. Do not tighten it yet. Then loosely secure the ends of the hitch tubes together with two 5/16 by 3 inch bolts, part 7, and two 5/16 inch lock nuts, part 10. Do not tighten it yet. Next, loosely assemble the hitch brackets to the hitch tubes using 5/16 by 2 1/4 inch bolts, part 8, and 5/16 inch lock nuts, part 10. Do not tighten them yet. Now, tighten the nuts and bolts at the scraper bar. Then, fully secure the ends of the hitch tubes. Next, fully secure the hitch brackets. Now, install the hitch pin, part 13, and secure it with the 1/8 inch hair cotter pin, part 14. Now, adjust the plug size by twisting the handle. Then, lock the plug in by flipping the handle down.